How's it going, guys? Today, well, hopefully we got the part that we need to get the Civic running. There's only one way to find out, and it's to open it. As you guys can see, brand new distributor. So I really hope that this is the right one. Looks like it. Go down here. So this one has play as well. Because I thought I had to get a new distributor because my old one, which is over here. Look at this crusty boy had play in it, but this brand new one has play in it as well. So, well, only one way to see if it'll work. Let's get this bad boy installed. So here we have the Dizzies, and we're gonna go ahead and put this into the slot right here. And you can see the two prongs have to go into two slots right there. So I'll just put you guys down there. Go ahead and just here. There we go. And you guys will be able to put that way. So how you want to screw your Dizzy in is with the old one. You can see that it's got like grease marks from where the old one is. So you want to try and get that top bolt in, so it's a bit towards the right. Try and get it in exactly same on this one. So if I just put this bad boy down, grab one of the bolts, put it in, you can see that it's meant to be sitting right there. A bit hard to see on this camera, but it's right there. Looks about right there. So now you want to do the same to the bolt down here and bolt down here. There we go. That all looks about right. So they're not completely tightened on yet. It's pretty tight, but just hand tight. So now, when you take off your coil, like your wires, sorry, you want to have them all labelled so you know where they all go. Label 1, 2, 3, 4, and I just have a little diagram on my head here. So it shows that 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got number 1, 2, 3, 4. So make sure the inside. Wise. The rest of it. And so I'm easy. So you guys know. Yep. No reason to this one here. There we go, all plugged in. Now, it should be ready to go. So, main reason I did this is because I'm pretty sure that's why my car was in limp mode. So, hopefully this works, and if not, you have to start troubleshooting again. So, seems to be working. Car seems to start fine. Seems to be idling fine. Pretty sure I had it in the right spot. It has to be. So now I'll get that all tightened and yeah, see if she works. So after some troubleshooting, I've completely rewired the CKP, which is the code that was thrown, because the Dizzy did not fix it. It kept on throwing code 4, sorry, which is the CKP. So I completely just rewired it to the ECU, and now it starts up pretty quickly. And as you can see, it's not in limp mode because it'll rev past 3.5. So that's good. Car is now out of limp mode. It's pretty good, but it's still got a few more codes to check, as you can see from here. I still have codes 3, 4, 5, 6. So code 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Code 9. And 1, 2, 3, 4. So in code 14. Then it'll go back to code 6, it should. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, yeah, so I'm thinking it's just something to do with my wiring harness, so I might, because I'm pretty sure code 6 is water temp, code 14 is idle air control valve, and code 9, which is a new one, is CYP. So I'm going to do some more research, and I'm probably just going to have to do a bunch of wiring straight to my ECU. Well, time has come. Integra is going away now. Bye. Rest in peace. Better luck next time. So guys, today just getting rid of the Integra, and then the Commodore's going soon. But right now, show you my inside of the Civic. And as you can see, I've got my cleaning pack on because this boy is absolutely filthy. You can just see all the dog hair from when my sister borrowed my car. So we're going to do that, and we'll also, I did a bit more weight reduction, just took a few more plastics and some wires out. So last night I weighed the car at 980 kilos, so I'm going to weigh it again today to see how much it weighs again. It won't be too much different, but it'll be a bit lighter. So yeah, away we go. Cool. So now I'll just remove the old vacuum. Yeah, what is that? But fucking now, nice and clean. Well, it could be better, but it's a lot less dog hair now. I'm probably not going to sneeze as much in the car now, and I'm pretty happy with it. So now I'm going to put in the Integra passenger seat, because as you can see, the bolsters on the Civic a lot smaller than the ones on the Integra, and the Integra is just a much more snug and nicer fit. So we're going to do that, and not too sure. This video is pretty all over the place. It's pretty spontaneous. Didn't have anything planned. Just waiting for old mate to come pick up the Commodore now. So yeah, can't wait to weigh this, see how much it weighs now. Still a lot we can do for weight reduction, like take out all the sound deadening. I don't know how good this is for rigidity, but we can take that out if we want to. And I'm thinking about cutting the carpet, so maybe about there, like where the seats start. But I kind of like it how it is now. Yeah, I can do sound deadening and just a lot of other little stuff. I plan on keeping my speakers up because that's nice, because I still plan on dailying this thing. Yeah. I also need to take off this crusty Extreme sticker, and I no longer have an Extreme Performance clutch. And I also need to get my car washed. Very dirty. Oh, speak of, here comes the tow truck now. What do you guys there? Oh, yep.
Don't you think that it's boring how people talk? Making smart with their words again. Well, I'm bored. Because I'm doing this for the thrill of it, killing it, never not chasing a million things I want. And I am only as young as the minute is full of it, getting pumped up on the little bright things I want. But I know they'll never own me.
Look how slam this boy. Oh, check out how slammed it is. Look at that fitment. That's perfect. Far out. Well, there goes another one. Yeah. Far out. I was just chatting with the tower here, and crazy enough, he knew my dad. Yeah. If you didn't know, my dad passed away when I was like fucking 14. Yeah, so this fella's another old fella. And yeah, crazy enough, he knew my dad, so he just had a good chat about him. Always interesting to hear like what people have to say about my dad, because he died when I was a bit younger. So that was good. Got $50 from this one, so can't complain. 2 eyesores are now gone. All this free space. Yeah. Very interesting. It's glad I got to have that experience. Glad I was here for that. Yeah. What can you do?
That's what I call a nice piece of fucking blackness.
Black Panther.
Black Panther.
Turn off this
that copyright looking music.
I don't have to worry about copyright.
Alright, so now
You're the one I'm sitting on. So you guys have figured it out. Me and Quinlan are busy taking out some sound deadening, which is a lot heavier than I expected. Yeah. Boy, we'll be calling back when we're all done.
Let's go down to the tennis court and talk it up like
As you guys can see, we got it all done. We need to do a bit of a cleanup, but it's all up. There's that boy. Jesus Christ, it's a demon. Yes, all done. Apart from underneath the front, but it's all done in the back.
Don't tell me. Don't look at me.